Yo guys, what is going on? Justin or OVO Update back again with another video, and we are starting off today's vlog in the car, and we are right out of OVO Dundas. So today is the day after the OVO Bape release, and we're gonna go see if they have anything left, either some tape or a mask, just to pick up and double up on. So I'll check in with you guys after we're done.
5 minutes later.
And we are back from Dundas. Quick trip. They only had the phone case left. One left in red and one left in green. So we had to pick this up. I'm gonna show you guys this later on in the video. On our way to Louis Vuitton, we got something to pick up. So I'm gonna show you guys that when we get there. We got that OVO Bape dripped out head to toe. I wish they did some pants, but I'm gonna catch you guys when we get to Louis Vuitton. All right, yo, so we at Louis Vuitton now. About to head in. Hopefully there's no line or wait time, but I should be good because we got an appointment.
5 minutes later.
All right, so we just got back from Louis Vuitton. As you can see, we had to pull up first day out in the Bape OVO. You know what's going on, but we just had to make a quick stop at Louis Vuitton. I had this wallet up on pre-order for the longest time, and we finally got it. It's from the new Virgil collection. So I'm just gonna put that in there, and as you guys can see, take a look. Cloud wallet pocket organizer, very nice. As you can see, this one has the runway stamp on it, which is really rare. And I'm gonna put a photo up on screen now. You guys can see the wallet is going for a pretty penny, but we got it for retail. So shout out to Louis Vuitton for holding it down yet again. All right, so we just got back from our short trip out. So we're gonna show you the OVO pickups. So we got a hoodie and we got the case. I'm gonna start off with the OVO Bape case. Red right here. They had one more red and one more camo, OG camo, but the red one, again, a lot nicer. All right, so here is the case. Sliding it on out of the box, as you can see, that nice glossy finish, and it's surrounded by nice foam. And take a look at the front. I love how they put the black with the rubber on the sides. Really protective, and not just a cheap little snap-on case like a lot of other designer phone cases. So this one is actually really good quality. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on the phone now. All right, and here is the case. Here's what it looks like on the iPhone. Really nice, actually. I wish they had the Max for my phone. There it is, guys. It was $85 before tax. Let me know what you guys think if you grabbed one for yourself. All right, and next up we have an OVO bag with a OVO hoodie. Here is the gray hoodie from last week, the script souvenir style, fully embroidered, all the pom-pom monogram prints, very nice, with the kangaroo pockets. And this is not one of the slim fitting hoodies. Like I said, this is the nice proper fitting one, made in Canada as well, with these nice drawstrings in white. Very cool and different from what we're used to. So if you did pick this one up, definitely a nice pickup. I know the pants in the gray sold very quick, so if you were able to grab anything from this drop, definitely some solid pickups. So that is it for now, but I have a few more stuff when we get back. What is up, y'all? I am back over at my house now, and I got another unboxing. We got a lot of stuff coming in this week. As you can see, we got the Bape behind me. But yo, I need to talk to you guys quickly. Let me know if you guys want to see more lifestyle sort of vlogs in the videos. Some, like, you know, I'll do a little vlog out in Toronto before the actual unboxing, like we're kind of doing today. So let me know if you guys want to see more like that, you know, food, chilling, good spots, I don't know, just some good vibes to film and show you guys. Let me know if you do want to see that. But without further ado, let's get into this OVO unboxing. Now, you guys may have an idea of what this might be. This did come out last week, and it was very hard to get, let's just say that. I wanted the OG Owl hoodie. I know I kind of gave it away. I kind of wanted the OG Owl hoodie, but we had to settle for this. So as you can see, we got the Lebanon OG Owl t-shirt. You know, unfortunately, this is not my size. This is an extra small. I did want to donate, and I did want to get at least something from the collection. I'm not going to be reselling this, but I just wanted to have something from this collection. If anyone's watching and has an OGL hoodie and wants to hook your boy up, black or red, let me know, send me a DM. But I am happy I was able to get at least something. So here's the t-shirt. I'm not going to take it out of the bag just because I'm not going to be wearing it. So don't get me wrong, it does look really nice. As you can see, the sparkling gold. I'll come up to the camera. So as you can see, we got the sparkling gold. We got the nice flag right there, and that is it. Made in Canada, of course. But yo, that is it for today's video. Let me know down below if you did get your hands on any of the OG owls from this drop. I know bots ate the website up for dinner. They took all of the stock, which kind of sucks, but you know what? Welcome to the game. Anyways, guys, the support this past week has been insane. We uploaded Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and all the vlogs and videos have done over 2,000 views. Crazy week from OVO, and I'm sure they're going to be keeping up the heat for the rest of October. If you did order a Checks Over Stripe hoodie, that does ship out late this week, so stay tuned for your emails for tracking information. Alright guys, so as you know, this is where I film all my videos, but it is time we change the wall colors because I'm not a fan of these ones anymore. So we got primer and we got a nice white finish. So I'm going to film this process and show you guys what it's going to look like. So everything's almost kind of moved out. We're getting rid of the bare brick box now. This thing is huge. Definitely don't want to get rid of that though, but this might be a challenge. All right, so let's see how this goes. All right, so everything's out. Gotta get this actually. Now everything's out. If you know, you know. Just put the tape on. Time to start with the primer. So we just finished up with the primer. The room is a lot brighter now, so it's gonna be a lot better for the videos. And I also ordered 2 new lights for the videos, so I'm not gonna have that yellowish hue as you guys may notice in my other videos. But take a look, guys. This isn't even the white yet. I'll get back to you when we start putting that white paint on. It is currently day number 2 here at the crib, and if you could see, the room is almost done. We just got to go over the corners again. So I'm going to catch up with you guys once everything is being put back into here, and I'm going to show you how everything looks.